Hello, hello, hello! Ako po si Myra Manibog and welcome to Myra Experience. And today, magre-review na naman tayo ng isang restaurant. Actually, common to restaurant na to. Many people have eaten in this restaurant and ako rin, multiple times nakapunta na rin ako dito. Pero now, in a different area, usually I eat sa MOA. But this time, I'm going to try Fridays BGC here in BGC. So join me in experiencing Fridays BGC. Ay! Yan ang aming Caesar salad at ito ay ang kanilang free appetizer na nachos and salsa. Paborito ni Alexandra. So yan ang kanilang mango tango in order ko. At yun ang kanilang iced tea. This is my order, fish and chips. And yun yung order ni Alexandra na pork chop. Kaya siya ay chicken, ano? Wala pa. Yan ang fish and shrimp na order din namin. Ay, chicken and shrimp. Sorry. Sorry na, galit agad. Medyo hindi ako natuwa dito sa aking fish and chips. Yan, so tapos na kaming kumain sa Fridays BGC. At
ka na ngayon, no?
at hindi ako natuwa sa totoo lang. So, this is my personal opinion, ano, as a restaurant or food reviewer. First, yung appetizer. Caesar salad, super dry. Kulang, para sa akin, kulang ang dressing. Crouton lang yung kasama niya. Wala man lang kahit na bacon bits or anything. Pero okay lang if that's their style. Sa akin lang, it's too dry. Kulang yung salad dressing. The nachos na free appetizer nila is masarap naman siya if you dip it into something. Pero kasi ang kasama niyang dipping sauce is salsa. And hindi ako kumakain ng salsa, so hindi ko siya talaga fully na-experience. But I tried dipping it in the ranch sauce nung aking fish and chips. And masarap naman siya. Okay. My order. Fish and chips. Hindi ko nakain yung fish. Kasi it's frozen cream dory, which I always cook at home. So, parang hindi ako na entice to eat it, no? So, hindi ko siya, siguro mga nakadalawa, 2 bites lang ako. Kinain ko lang yung french fries, dipping it in the ranch sauce. I tasted yung isang order namin, which is yung pork chop ni Alexandra. Lasa siyang pork chop. Normal. Yung pork chop, di ba? And syempre, kung maglalasang isda yung pork chop, magulat ka, no? And yung isang, yun naman yung order ni Yesha, which is the chicken and shrimp. I tasted the chicken and it tasted like Mang Inasal chicken. So, again, nothing spectacular. Siguro what disappointed me the most is yun nga, for its price kasi and its reputation, no? I was expecting more. Kasi kumakain naman ako sa Fridays sa MOA and I enjoy it. Kumakain ako sa Fridays sa Robinson's Malate and I enjoy it. Ito lang sa Fridays BGC, I was really disappointed. Maybe, syempre, iba-iba man ang chef nila in different branches. Kaya lang, may brand name sila so dapat consistent yung lasa, di ba? Yun lang, even the serving, malaki lang yung plate, but the serving is not really big. And it's expensive compared to other restaurants, diba? No? So, medyo, I was really disappointed. Even my mango tango, hindi ako natuwa. Hindi ako natuwa sa mango tango. Yun. So, sayang, the experience is not really good. Kaya, para sa akin, ang rating ko sa Fridays BGC ay 2 stars! Ayan. thank you for watching. Gumagaling na akong mag-review. Kakaririn ko talaga to para maging akong food reviewer. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time on our next experience.